Go.
Go ahead, show us how you do it.
And then at the bottom of that one.
Holy cow.
And then he's gonna put Peter right here. No?
There you go, Fia.
Don't show off. Pay attention. Look at. Concentrate. Don't look at your daddy.
Sophia's done, honey. It's her turn first.
Okay, put teaser right here in the middle. Right there.
Good job, Sophia.
She's only 2. Get in so you don't fall.
You did it. Good job.
I wouldn't expect that from him. That's amazing.
There you go.
Emmett was like that too. The first we lived at a park that had one of these type things, except it was that tall, except just curved, not with the kind of layer.
Hey, Caitlin. It's Caitlin, Caitlin, honey, you move back, Sophie, so Caitlin can get in, okay? Move back so she can grab the stuff. There, yay.
Good job, Caitlin.
Nice, wow. You guys are good.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
The first time Emmett went on nothing like that, it was like,
Oh, you have a heart attack.
huge, like her